Hello everybody, in this video I am going to show you how we can make a QR code using Python. So let's begin. I'm going to use QR code library. So first of all, let's see its website. We need to install QR code using pip command, and for more image functionality we should install QR code with PIL dependency. I have already done this. Now let's begin our coding. For the purpose of this video, I have pasted a YouTube link here, and I will convert this YouTube link into a QR code. So let's see. First of all, I need to import operating system, and then I'm going to import QR code, right? And after that, I'm using some of the syntax from the QR code website. Now I'm going to paste my URL here. And after that, I'm going to save this image. And I'm going to name it like youtube.png. And now I'm going to open this using operating system. And now everything looks fine. So let's run this. And here is the QR code of my YouTube video, and if you scan this QR code, then you will be redirected to my YouTube video. So if you like this video, then please hit the like, share and subscribe button for more such amazing content.